Are you looking for jewelry that is 100% tarnish free, 18 karat gold plated, that you can wear during your vacation time, on a special occasion out, or for daily use? I'm about to put you guys onto Her Shop Collection Jewelry, available online using my code Natalie15 for 15% off of everything on the website. All of the jewelry from Her Shop Collection is personalized by the owner herself, Joanna. Thank you so much, Joanna, for writing me this card and for always being supportive across all of my social media platforms. As a small business owner, you know how hard it is to grow your business, and I love to see women supporting other women. So as much as you say that my support is allowing you to create beauty, you being able to create these beautiful products and me being able to show the world through this video is really what it's all about. So thank you so much for allowing me to have a coupon code so that other people can enjoy the jewelry just as much as I do. So first, I got these two necklaces here. It looks like it's one, but it's meant to stack. I have a body figure, kind of like bodycon jewelry piece that I absolutely love. You can find this kind of body figure in a lot of household items, beauty items, different things like that. I feel like it's a really big sign of women empowerment, and if you know me, you know I'm all about supporting the girlies. So I love this necklace right here. It is extremely detailed, extremely high shine. The second one is a leaf pattern, kind of like Cuban link kind of chain style that you can link on top of it, and it's actually so beautiful in real life. It also has these little jewelry cleaning wipes, which I love because you can keep the shine up on your jewelry. Over time, things do dull, so you do have to keep up with your jewelry pieces. She also has these cute pouches where you can place your jewelry in case you're traveling. These little plastic containers I'm definitely taking with when I'm road tripping. I plan on going to see my sister and I want to just have a really fun summer, and these are perfect. These are little bug earrings, which I thought were so cute for the summertime. They are a big, bold statement piece. These remind me of roly-polies, and that's why I got them. I think that they are adorable, and they have that traditional backing with the plastic to secure it. It's your choice if you want to keep the plastic. I always do, just to ensure that my earring backs stay on. And then next I got this cute little bracelet. So this one is a wrist watch band bracelet for women, so kind of like how a man has his chunky watch. If your man has one, you can go ahead and match him with this cute bracelet. I went ahead and got black. I believe she has other colors. If not, it would be amazing if she got other colors. But this one is really pretty and it goes with everything in my closet. I, as you know, am a makeup artist, so my main wardrobe is black colored. So I feel like this is going to be beautiful, especially because I work with my hands so much. It's going to draw a lot of attention on my wrist. I think it's phenomenally shiny too. Now these, you guys have seen me wear 1,000,001 times. I've had them for about a year, and I wanted to include them in this video to kind of show you the shine on them. If you can see yourself wearing any one of these pieces, feel free to use my code Natalie15 on hershopcollection.com. It's valid for every single piece on her website, not just the pieces that I showed here. And she has different colorful pieces or pieces that include different stones.